Hi, Steve here from CSP Medical. Today, another quick unboxing from a company by the name of RTI. This is a manufacturer based in Sweden, and they make various X-ray test equipment for imaging systems. Today, this particular kit is for dental measurements, so all types of dental machines, intraoral, panoramic, supplementric. So if we open up, do a quick unboxing, you'll see it has a nice case. This is a soft case, but it has like a hard foam. So it is a protective case. Comes with a nice thank you message. And this is the meter. So again, it has the detectors in here. It's designed for working with the laptop, which I'll show you in a minute. So it connects via Bluetooth, so there are no wires, which is nice. So when it gets in for a panoramic measurement that revolves around the X-ray tube, then you'll see the benefits of having no wires. So that is the meter. And look inside of the case there. This is there is a connector for upgrades. So it's a USB cable power. So it is a USB power plug, and this has the software. So it's a USB software. Opens up there. So this is the version 2020-2A. So the latest version, but it does come with a 2-year warranty for calibration and for hardware, which is great. You can also at the end of 2 years, when you send it in, you can pay 20% of the calibration cost and have your warranty extended for another 2 years. So that is great. You can do that for up to 10 years. So great feature there. The top portion of this has the manuals. So you'll see the Piranha quick check, and I'll open this up so you can see it. So it has the Piranha reference manual and the Ocean software, which is loaded on the laptop. So all of the manuals, which is good. You also have them in PDF format as well on that USB stick, but it's nice to have something that you can flip through. So that is also in here, of course, is RTI pen and the calibration certificate for this meter. Now, I'll close this up and show you the rest of this. So this comes with a special holder. So this holder is designed for placing the Piranha on the X-ray unit when it's revolving. I won't go into too much detail on this, but I do have a video showing this if you want to take a look on the website. But basically, it secures the Piranha to the X-ray machine when it's doing a panoramic measurement. So there are 2 of these because there's 2 kits that have been sold, and it also comes with the transformer tablet. So I will show you this. So this tablet, again, is designed for ease of use. You can actually remove the tablet so it operates on its own, or you can have it plugged in with the keyboard. And obviously when it starts up, it's ready to go with the software to communicate with your meter. So it is, again, wireless, which is standard for the Piranha meter. So that is a quick unboxing today. A little bit about the Piranha dental meter. So feel free to reach out to our sales team at sales@cspmedical.com and visit our website, cspmedical.com. Thank you for your time.